Okay, so we have our next speaker, Mankit. Let's clap for him.
Hello everyone, my name is Mankit. I'm 6 years old. Today I will present a story. The title is A Wolf and a Lamb. As night approached, a shepherd gathered his sheep to drive them back to the fold. However, on the way back, one of the lambs managed to sneak away. The lamb was enjoying himself eating grass when the wolf stopped and attacked him. The lamb desperately ran for the wolf, but he was quickly caught and opened his big mouth. When the lamb said, "Mr. Wolf, please listen to me for just a minute." "What? Begging for your life is useless, since I'm starving." "Oh no, I just want to tell you how to eat me most enjoyably." "What did you say? The way to eat you most enjoyably?" "Yes, sir. I have just eaten grass which has not digested and turned into flesh yet. If I exercise by dancing for a while, the grass will be digested." "I see. That sounds reasonable. Well, I let you to dance," replied the wolf. "Here is the bell I wear around my neck, so can you please beat a rhythm for it?" "I see. Like this? Ah, that is one of my bells. Why do I hear it in the distance?" The shepherd sent the sheepdog to look for the lamb. But while the lamb was attacked by a wolf, the wolf threw the bell and ran fast he could. The moral of my story is when you get into difficulties, find your way out. Thank you.
Okay, well done, Mankit. Let's put another round of applause for him. It was a good moral story.
Your voice